Hello, it's Untitled channel. Welcome back on this new video. Okay, I know. You have seen the title, you have seen the preview picture on this video, and I'm so happy to show you this new creation, totally created with the new brand Polymer clay Cosclay. I really hope you like it, so we will see you after the tutorial. Thank you so much for being here. See you later. Here we are, ready to start with our materials. We have the soft Cosclay, but you can also use the Fimo leather or the normal Fimo with the Fimo translucent inside to make it more elastic. Then we have a wire, the adhesive paper, and the two black glass beads and aluminium paper. At first we start by creating the head and a polymer clay sausage long enough to wrap a finger. Time to make two cheeks, the two jaws more realistic and sweet. Two pieces of dough will be the upper and the lower highlights. With a needle we go to incise the mouth to make it more realistic, and we also make nose holes like this, or our puppy can finally breathe. Let's start by trying to see how our dragon is on paper and give it a shape. With the wire we create our wings, and you can make them as you want, but I always choose to make them posable so I can put them as I want. Make a sheet of clay with the polymer clay machine and place the wire on top. And cover it with a long piece of dough, not too wide and not too tight. Now add the other bones of the wing, thus is the more complete, and let's go for a bit of a texture with the silicone brush. Now we have to make an hole and attack the wings, always being very careful to make the clay stick well between the various joints. Add the arches of the eyebrows that give a lot of expression to the final creation. What dragon will be hornless? Yes, here they are. To make the effect of dragon scales, I always use an old mosquito net. The effect it gives is incredible. After this, it's time to cook our creation for the first firing. I decided to make the dragon more moldable and adaptable to every finger. So I inserted the wire and covered it with another clay. Okay, now it's time to color it, and this time I'll paint it by hand with brushes. Good vision, I'll see you soon! The Dragon Ring Power, the Dra-Ring, are here. I'm so happy to have created this amazing creation. I'm so happy to bring my dragons with me now, and I hope you like my new baby. I choose the pink and purple colors for this baby. This tutorial is a little bit hard, because I've tried some kind of technique. I believe that I can add the wire after the first cooking, okay? But I think there is another kind of method and another technique, and I will try it. Thank you so much for being here. I want to say something. I am on TikTok now, and I'm so happy to give you my link to follow me in the description, and subscribe on this channel. Write everything you want under this video. All the material are in the description box, and it's really important to see my last video like the bracelet, dragon bracelet, the bracelet, and the other videos, so you can help me to be known everywhere. See you later the next time. Thank you so much for being here. Bye. Take the kiss and the dragon. Bye.